Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Johnson Pandit Esiama eko PM1 na najiman bedu wasi ade yo Dormaahene na hemfie enwa okochia no na okochia na convoy ya edi na chi no convoy no Land Cruisers ne gusia me kai munyama akoma ko be 22 ni achire eno ana Saddick Adam yes sports Obama Angel TV host wabetre na jo chim say o eye nice efe pa but yenwe no man sika sem ho kakla convoy ne de anokwa na ewa dodo wabetre na adwen afa ho mbesere wa se obemi subscribe button so na obetan ne notification icon on for latest update na be share video mo so anya bi ahwe eya no akere wa adwen ewo comment section ho no mo se na be kan fo na la money se na pe na de ama o US ero Ukraine person ska ede be fia aye na la na 26 no bia eyisu aboga fo ni na eno bia de se diska for promo code Penyah TV no be $20 amazing. Obo trials is very fast o send ya pa na edru Ghana with us niska to any other Africa country bia so through the person mobile money account and send the bank account one can actually app no to phone so Google Play Store and say Apple App Store na etwen app na to phone so na emphasize this every fee na say $20. Now let's go to the story. So the Bank of Ghana governor Dr. Johnson Pandit Esiama oba na go PM ewo Bono region nimo for 2 days tour. Now but how they call honum nyina no oko engage with the Bank of Ghana stakeholders ya omo Bono region nimo any courtesy call to Sunyanhene any Dormaahene enunti enoko PM ewo Bono region enti on the 5th of August to the 6th of August 2026 chance owo Bono region nimo me kire Wednesday twa mi any the Thursday na owo Bono region na Wednesday na dikaya 5th August no okodru Bono region nimo you know said the amamre kwan so no on said Bank of Ghana governor region bi bekom bia na odikai eko kura obeduru mo no ohempon wo mo no okona nanom enan ase ekochia no edoduru Sunyan no the Bono regional minister honorable Joseph Adai Akwaboa ene ne mpanimfo bi ekohia the Bank of Ghana governor fe ema honomo Bank of Ghana governor staff our represent Bono region ono so eka ho bi to omunyina call or therefore ogia mansan Boahe kokko the second awoye Sunyan man hene omu ekona na enayase ekochia na amamere kwan so fe na bibia ko si unu amamere yense amamere banana asase so e was ocha na ema after that no omo ayetwe nkomo ti omo di nkomo 5th August ndie omo di nkomo efa how you know Bono region no omo si face economic growth any the way forward e show betim e de agu akwamu any ade omo yeye omo di nkomo efa the illegal financial practices bia ekos e wo ho no mo ana Sunyan ho no na no we engage with the Bono region Bank of Ghana stakeholders omo ho no no we engage with them for some 1 or 2 conversations be yade edano ekwawe on his first day tour in the Bono region e wo Sunyan na ade achiye ene ade tour no eto aso ene ko PM e wo Doma cause if Sunyan e ko Doma on the second day cause na obewa kohia nananom atrankonya omo Doma ene obesa engage with some of the stakeholders omo Doma ahinkuro eti the Bank of Ghana governor Dr. Esiama on the first deputy Dr. Zakari ene the Bono regional minister no honorable Joseph Adai Akwaboa ene omu omaka enyina abo anan ekopie na Dormaahene ahimfie omu kochia de fefefe honom no omu edi nkrato kone abodwa omu ekasa.
Anytime someone gives you a CD note, take a good look at it. If you take a good look, you can notice what is genuine and what may not be genuine. No. One other thing we are tackling is the issue of counterfeiting. We are encouraging everyone to do business using the CD. The CD is the only legal tender for all transactions in Ghana. And we encourage everyone to make use of the CD in your transactions. But Nananom, we have also noticed that some of our brothers and sisters appear to be doing the wrong thing. We have noticed some upsurge in counterfeiting activities in pockets of the country. We are working with national security, and we have observed a few of such instances in the area. Quietly, we are taking steps to take those activities out, but we want you also to be observant. Anytime someone gives you a CD note, take a good look at it. If you take a good look, you can notice what is genuine and what may not be genuine. If you are in doubt, our office in Sunyani is there. Just ask them, or just talk to the police. They will be able to assist you.
The whole crown and Dormaahene cast, oh, said the Bank of Ghana governor, Siama na Mamos, Nejishan, near maybe city so near a honor and Oka in some way.
Na adea percent the year man say, where Yadishiano, Obia from midnight, Baba Wono, Aya Bema, Amamre Quansono, Sunny Yesiano, Yaba Perecosono, Nia Cosa any pay, na ye de sa akrana Baba Wona Udikane, at the chair, Chinano, ye de atono. Na toa ye de otono ne say, ye nyina na ye de, ye jina. Na we abahai, mwa de che, edemano. Ade ande che no, nana hema, ba kubi de wani so, be de babra na bo afon ba sum, na okodru fia akoyede apie so. Na ade a ampesende ye man say, ade a aya magana for ba bia ebedru no. Se ka se 18 months ya oba be hye ho, ye bu hon konta, no krenin ka paase. Na mpesa onye de, me ye bibia ma no se be ya. Oba paase ya kosi da Ghana for be ka se na djuma no onye de onfanto. Wenne aba be wura Dormaahene ha. Sane nye no no. E ya de kese na aba enya kwan no. We ya de hye no. Obia from midnight. Baba Wono. Eye bema. Amamre kwanso no. Sane yesi ye no. Ye be perekoso no. Ni akosa any pay. Na ye de sa akrana Baba Wona udikane. Ade che china no. Ye de ato no. Na to a ye de oto no ne se. Ye de akamfo na dwuma hoye. Na dwuma no da bia atna ho. Ye de nipa ne dini oto no. Se be ya da bia akra no. Ye hunu a ye be hu se ono na emre sei na obaye enti ye de akra no to no. Na akra ya ye de oto ni. Ye makasa ono no obehwe no. Ye domafo a abompa ye wasase ne bebre. O hwe Dormaahene a wa wonni no doma it is a greater Accra region. Bekasiye no. Dormaahene 1.35% of the total land mass of Ghana. Greater Accra 1.4. Nti utimu se bebe no so. Accra na ya de ne beto no no. Domafo ye behwe na kosi se obenyini obetima hwe no ho. Sansem we na nka na nde mana kwaba na meda na sese na ode ba afi nkoto ye mfie so na otiase na Bank of Ghana tiase na Ghana tiase.
Emma, Bank of Ghana governor, so Eda Ase.
Before I bring my address to a close, I want to thank you for that special honor to name a male child in the area after me. It is a real honor. I was telling my board members that I wish, even though I am past the child bearing or the child, should I say it? Even though I'm probably beyond that age of making more children, maybe I should make that child myself. Right here in the Dormaahene area. But on a more serious note, Nananom, we want to thank you very, very, very much for this welcome. We are greatly, greatly, greatly honored.
Emma say after that omude nkratoɔ Emma program bia eye kama what I say as na eye krabehwe na eye nice pa Emma from there no Ghana governor osere kwai efri Dormaahene ahemfie pu aye say ordinary echire mo ase na okobia okokos obewie ni dwumadi obedi no Bono region nemo no engagement with the stakeholders no obewie bibia I say oko back to Accra. Now you know all free sunyan akọ Dormaahene ahemfie no eho na obenya ne convoy a na edi nachi say ne convoy cars dodo a na edi nachi a na enya cars ketwa
One of you will do that now.
Go back. Land Cruisers, Toyota Land Cruisers, 206 edition, new model cars. The consumption level was ropa. And you know from Sunyan to Dormaahene, enye kwan ketwa. One drink obetwa one na ne achire. Aye, from Sunyan to Dormaahene, obetwa one na ne achire. Next all Land Cruisers. Ma koma kra meka yem more than 20. Ye fu ani nyina ye tofu agumu e de akwa na se. Eye o man sika na ebina ye se you know eye kama efe se wokocha na no no edom di achire efe eye kama eye no nyam se kese. But on the other hand no ye hwesika ebekofu ensensem a ni nyina ye o man sika na bia ano ana Saddick Adam yes boss Obama host our NG was o there be say na me kana was kire mu say ade de efe de nani nsa Dr. Siama nani nsa no efe pa eye kama but we can do better next time.
Person me can bibi de tre Bank of Ghana governor Ora Pandit ni dino aha Siama enra me hu say omokopie mu obronga hafo region say Bono region aha ko Bono region mo va chame kakra abono ahafo ni hobiem ahafo region Bono region Bank of Ghana governor oko Bono region na me ho video bi se okochia nana Dormaahene no kure ni nyame anim ne omokọ region bi omokochia ahempon a omo ho na onim said nana Dormaahene so de sunya ne cross two lands no na etibebre so ti de o se omokochia no sunya to Dormaahene so em se be 1 hour 1 hour 30 minutes o kwan mo kono de ba me hu bibia mani anye sunyane ti doma no omse kasa omode ko Dormaahene kroni kasa no bebrebe okochia na Dormaahene efe but omaina ye third world country ye Bank of Ghana afibia omoboka no na wobetimi adisika bia wo pe bia na wohu kwaya obefa so a obetoto niema yi ye frɛ bibi optics enyefe nra na me hu video no enyefe honestly ebia nani amaso but ba adwi mu no baby amokoye no kra no region no so ye one of the poorest ha what you say o man ni nyina ye poor third world country de obi ani ho a obetima ka so enti Bank of Ghana ewom se ho na sika no but man panyi kra convoy ye ka ho asem nti directors ni nyina bi omoteka mu obi apese odi akire sunyane so nse Bank of Ghana office ho de e fe ni se nanka mo nyina mape bus fe ene o governor no nanka wotie ni mu na cars no miensa mpodi ani mu efe eye sa na ase power no de etimi cloud wadwen kra ma so se ka mo de kono ye 20 na mekan ade bi di ama papa no eya me de pa page 235 of Ora Professor Kwame na Ahoy ne book Working with Rollins sa cars ye to aso enkyerese mu disika ana enkyerese mu nisika but etwamfo nyini kyerɛ the superfluous living of our leaders oman no come the amanfo ebeye ye fe first na convoy na ye fe but ye nyini ko ba bi ne ye hu se eye niema waste bi amode kyerɛ mu kono mu dru wamfie wamanafo mu hu nkro no mu hu se de esitie Bank of Ghana governor nana owura no metimi aka se obi anya no na ye arrangement protocol for but also de na no tum se ye ko ba bi a governor de at least ye 2 cars 3 cars ye ko to mo ho ne ye fa bus tenemu a ye nkyire bibi nkyire o mamufo no enye kwan na mo yi amo kohwe mo ko conference o say nana mo mamisima ba akora me fankan ade we Working with Rollins Kwame na Ahoy page 235 quotes Rollins hated the spectacle of long convoys when he traveled and was always at pains to tell his handlers to keep the convoys as short as possible. But no matter how short the convoy, anywhere Rollins traveled to, the local politicians and NDC bigwigs found a way of sneaking into the convoy and swelling up the number. On this particular occasion, when we were traveling to Koforidua to inaugurate some projects, the convoy was reasonably short when we left Accra, my vehicle being one of them. By the time we got to Mamfi, Ekwapim, and before we started descending the rather steep scarp towards Kwamoso, the convoy had swollen to about 30 cars. Just as we started descending the steep scarp, Rollins stopped the convoy. He got out of his car and started moving along the convoy. At each vehicle, he indicated whether the vehicle was to continue in the convoy or should leave the convoy and turn back. On that steep and dangerous scarp, it became an ordeal for many of the drivers as to how to do a 3-point turn and return to Accra. The difference between good and bad drivers became clear that day. Anyway, those of us who had been given the green light to continue with the journey left them to their fate. We entered Koforidua with just about 8 vehicles. Working with Rollins. NDC, Entin American Tremono. There is a reason why Mampenyin Pese cars do be saso. Munyenebia mukodi jumabidie. But omai no awuchire wo mania ma bi amanfo ahi omai we niam ankete ne de to aba nti Bank of Ghana governor there o kwa akoye nhyiamu wo sunyane ne hwehwehwe no for the like for 22 cars for what munyina akra mote bus baakum na obi say o Bank of Ghana governor o at least mo bedu sunyane mo the flight but if you walk no munyina mote bus im ka mienu di mani moto baako yakochia nana oh governor na about when say as a governor abaha o man no much asetra te say a governor aba ne cast 20 no o man no much say ne cast 20 nti dey ntina sometimes me just sankara oba we change politician bi aka obi.
So to your understanding no, what is your viewpoint? What is your point of view? Uhwemu a say na wo so hu niema we Saddick Adams ne point of view. What is also your point of view? Share go comment section ho no mo e for mame hi Penyah Block Media agra.